Hello my friends, I'm Matthew Bradby and I'd like to thank you for taking a few minutes out to view this segment. In this brief segment, I want to help you be the best you can be, and I want to teach you some simple principles in understanding how to build a strong and healthy relationship. Now, I understand there are just two major keys that you need, but a lot of different components that build a strong relationship. Now, I've been helping people for the last 11 years to discover their self-worth, to discover that they're bigger than their situations or present day standard. I've helped people who are looking for love and answers in all the wrong places find that healthy lifestyle that they need to be successful. Now, the key is being open and honest with yourself. Can you do that? In order for you to have a strong, healthy, and wholesome relationship, it has two main components. The first one is trust. Can people trust you with confidential information? A lot of times, people limit test you. They give you enough to see if you'll keep that. Now, you know some folk, as soon as they get some word on somebody on Facebook, they're texting, they're telling everybody about it. Church folk, I find, are the most guilty. They're the most condemning type folk. They're the most condescending, and they're the most damning folk. The minute they found out you made a mistake, they want to send you to hell, you're the devil, and you're all that. And that's a fallacy with the church. I thank God that the church I pastor, I teach folk that, hey, we don't judge. We are just average, everyday people coming from all walks of life, coming together. We are people who love God, but don't do church. We're the Now Generation ministry designed to help people, not entertain them. Look, I don't do the hoop and the holler and all that stuff because guess what? If you want entertainment, you'd watch HBO. If you want a word from God, you'll be at the New Nation Temple. But enough of that. I want to talk to you about trust. To trust somebody is key. Now, it's very uncomfortable to be in a relationship that you can't trust your partner or your spouse. You know what I'm talking about, those text messages, those emails, the secrecy. Without trust, you have no relationship. Trust is the water of your relationship. It's like the milk. It's the umbilical fluid that keeps everything going. And without it, guess what? You just two people together because either one of y'all can't afford the mortgage or y'all just want to play house. Or to be open and honest, you just want to have somebody say you have somebody. I'm trying to teach you how to dump a zero and get a hero. That's right. You'll never get a Boaz messing with a bozo. Positive people don't want to be in negative situations. And you can't open a door to a positive relationship if you're still dealing with the negative. You can't hope that somebody comes in to rescue you. You have to make that change. The second powerful principle that you need for a healthy, strong, and wholesome relationship is communication. In a relationship, silence is not golden. You have to talk. You have to express yourself. And if you have a healthy, wholesome relationship, that person will honor what you say, even if they disagree. They will love you for being unique. They won't tell you how to think. A lot of you are in controlling relationships where if you don't side with this person, they'll get mad and walk away. And that's because you don't value yourself. You are a king. You are a queen. If they walk away, put this in your mind. If they walk away from me, they're walking away from the best blessing they'll ever have. And once you begin to think like that, you'll begin to act like a king's kid. It's important that me and you communicate. So please contact me on Twitter, Facebook. Let me know if with these tidbits, are these things helping you? Also visit me at ineedchangenow.com. We're making powerful impacts in people's lives just like you. And I want to help you. I want to be there for you. If you're in the Baltimore, Maryland area, please stop by and see me. Give me a hug because I make sure every week that I honor my visitors. I love my people. And it's like that. And that's the way it is. I'm Matthew Bradby and I'm signing out. You have a blessed day.